The paint bucket tool in Photoshop, it's a real simple tool. It just fills areas that are similar in color with whatever color you have loaded to the foreground color, right? So right now you can see the foreground is this black color, and if I were to select this layer and just click it, it fills everything in with that color. Now if I were to come to a picture like this, where it's not just a solid color, and I click on it, it does the best it can with the parameters that you have set, so it just fills it in. If it doesn't get everything you need, you can just keep clicking, right? This isn't the best way to fill in certain things. I only use this if it's real obvious where the borders and the edges are, or if it's like a solid color like this here. If I want to change it back to white, we just come click it like that. That's the only time I really use the paint bucket. You also got some options up here. Same with every tool, you have the preset drop down right here. Then after that, you got the foreground or pattern option. You can choose to fill it with the foreground color, which is the top color right here. This is your background color. If you want to flip them, you can just click this. If you choose pattern, it'll make it so you can click this drop down and choose a pattern that you already have saved. And if I were to click it here, it would fill it in with that pattern. If you come over here to mode, this is just blend modes. If you don't know about blend modes, I'm going to have a whole complete video on this. There's a lot of blend modes to go over. I'm not going to get into it right now, but this is where you choose whatever blend mode. Then you got the opacity slider. Tolerance, this is going to change the range of colors. So, example, if I click it and you see, say I wanted all this yellow to be changed to black, you see how it's not catching everything? If I undo that and turn the tolerance up and click it, it's going to cover more of that yellow, right? If you lower the tolerance, it's going to cover less. So just think of the amount of color it's going to cover is the tolerance. Then last but not least, we got these three boxes. We got anti-alias. This just smooths edge transitions. Contiguous. This means you will fill only the contiguous pixels. And then all layers. This is just if you have a composite image with a bunch of layers and you just need it to fill multiple layers, you're going to select this. But that's the paint bucket, guys, in Photoshop. If you got any questions, make sure to put them below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.